Hey everyone, you're watching Circuit TV. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make a paper ribbon. So let's get started. You will need A4 size paper to do this, to make this model. But you can even use square paper as well. So the first thing we need to do is convert this A4 size paper into a square paper. So let's make it. To do that, we need to take this line, match it with this line over here, or you can say match edge to edge. Now remove this much part of the paper. To make it easy, we can use this point as a reference point by just simply folding it out. Just carefully remove this small piece, and we don't need this much. So as you can see that we just made a small crease by default. Now what we have to do is take this point and match it with this point just to make a crease along the other diagonal parts. Just like this. Scratch it with your nails so that you get a visible crease in the center. Now flip the paper over and make folds such that it will create a crease exactly in the center. To make these type of fold, take this edge and match it with this edge over here. And make sure to scratch the edge with your nails so that you get again a visible crease. Now repeat the same step by bringing this top edge and the bottom edge over here together. Sorry for the cough. Now what we have to do is bring these four edges, these four corners of the square together, just like this, and make sure to lay it down flat on the board or on the table, whatever you have. Let me just focus real quick. Okay, I don't know why the contrast of the video is changing. So look for the closed end like this and take approximately this much fold, which is around 1 inch, I guess. Just reverse fold it and scratch it with your nails so that you get a visible crease. Now open the model from the center. You can see that there is the square pattern inside, and now press the square inside. Just like this, and carefully fold it inside, and make sure to get as clean edges as possible. And again, lay it down the flat, press it hard just a bit, and make sure to get these 4 pieces together as close as possible. Now what we have to do is take this line from this point to this point, match it with the center line, just like this. Repeat the same step on all the 4 edges, sides, whatever you call it. Now flip paper and repeat it for another 2 sides. Just like this. Now what you have to do is just open this fold and create a small square exactly in the center over here. Now flip the model over. What we need to do is just make some cuts along here, here and here and here at these 4 points. Just scratch it with your nails. If you use scissors, it will be clean edge, clean cuts, but use your nails and carefully tear apart. Using scissors is completely up to you. I'm not using it this time because my scissors are downstairs and I don't want to go again. So just carefully, just tear it carefully. If you are using your nail scratching technique that I am using right now, this could be a bit harder. Like, see, it just tear apart a bit, but it's fine. Okay, so now the 2 sides are again remaining. Just carefully tear it apart. Just mess up at this point, but it is okay. Now what we have to do is take this over here and take this edge, match it with this line. Hope I'm getting the model exactly in the center of the frame. Just like this. Repeat this on this side also. Take this edge, match it with the center line. Now take the both folds and towards this side and repeat the same steps as we did here. At this side. Now what we have to do is we need to cut the model from this line over here just to split it apart so that we can make the two, what are they, I don't know. So just carefully scratch this, and if you're using scissors you can do both at a time, but I'm not doing it because I'm doing it with my hands. If you have the skills you can do it. It's completely up to you. We need to open till this point over here, and again do it with this side also. Now what we have to do is just take these two folds and fold it like this, such that this point matches this line and this edge is parallel to the center line over here. Repeat the same step on this side also. If they are not even, it is okay. If they are not, now make a fold like this. The reference point is from at here, which is straight at here, and scratch it with your nails. If you flip the model will look something like this. And now take this point, match it with this point over here. Repeat the same step on this side also. Now what we have to do is take this point and insert it at the square. Carefully, and make sure to get it like this, a bit bulgy and curved. Repeat the same step on this side also. And again make sure it is bulgy and curved. At this time you can either make it straight and cut like whatever you want, or just fold it like me. It is completely up to you. And our model is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.